Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech Untitled. In this video, we are going to be checking out some true wireless earbuds from Selkie Brooklyn. This is a company that is making wireless earbuds to try and compete with the AirPods. Look at it, they even have a picture on the back of the box of them. These are similar, but also different. They don't look the same and their case isn't the same, but they kind of work the same way. They're wireless earbuds that do not connect to each other with any type of wire, and they come with their own charging case. Inside of the box, we will find the charging case along with the earbuds and a bunch of different ear tips. It's a really awesome unboxing experience. I know who they're trying to copy there. But the build is actually pretty nice. The case itself, the charging case, is made out of metal, and the earbuds themselves are plastic with a little bit of a metallic finish to them. They feel really nice and sturdy. They're a little bit chunky, but it's either some chunk to them or look like a toothbrush. So for design, they're fairly similar to most other true wireless earbuds. They're nothing special, but they do have a button on the side. These are what's going to turn them on, turn them off. You can pause and play music or videos with the button on the side, and that button is okay at times. You do have to press and hold it to turn it off and on, so you won't accidentally do those operations. But when it comes to pausing music, there's a little bit of a delay between when you press the button and when the action actually occurs. Also, because the button is on the side of the earbud, you're going to kind of jam the earbud farther into your ear if you try to press the button while it's in your ear. So if they're trying to replicate the AirPods, what you may want to do is to actually pull the earbud out and press the pause button, and then it will pause the music, kind of like the AirPods. Connection to the phone is over Bluetooth. There's no special chip inside that will sync it with your phone right away, but the Bluetooth pairing process is not that bad. When you do turn them on, you want to make sure you turn both of them on, because you can do this in mono mode. You can only use one of them. So if that's a feature you're looking for, they do have them, but if you want to use both at the same time, you have to turn them both on at the same time. And then you just sync them with Bluetooth, and it works pretty good from there. So listening back to music, it sounds pretty good. Bass is a little bit strong, and instruments are fairly clear for the most part. What I noticed the biggest downside with these earbuds was the fact that it lacks a little bit of performance when it comes to videos. There is at least a half a second delay between the video and the audio that's coming through it, so it's incredibly frustrating and a little weird when you're watching someone talk because their mouth doesn't match their words. Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be comparing the Canon T5i to T3i. Also, these earbuds are more designed for music, I feel, because they do have a couple of characteristics that aren't ideal for dialogue. Like I said, the bass is fairly strong, which means that when you're watching videos and listening to someone talk, it's a little bit heavy on the bass and can make it seem somewhat muffled. So dialogue is not the most clear, and for that reason I think it's better suited for music usage. Those are really my only main issues: the syncing and the quality when you're watching videos in dialogue. When turning them on, you have to make sure you turn them both on, but when you're turning them off, you'll have to turn one off and it will automatically do the rest. It'll turn the other one off for you, which is nice. The charging case is really awesome. I like how you just pop them in. It doesn't matter which bud goes into which position. It charges right away, and you always have a full charge whenever you plug in the earbuds. The case does automatically turn off once the earbuds are fully charged, and it does hold a pretty decent amount of juice inside of the case. I use them for like an hour or so. I put them back in the case, and I was able to do that multiple times. I mean, like a lot of times before I had to recharge the case. And there's lights on the back, so you know how much charge is left in there. So other than those issues, if you're looking for some good wireless earbuds that are fairly cheap and you're going to be using it for music, these are a pretty good option. They're way cheaper than AirPods. And if you want a wireless option with no wires at all, it's definitely something you should consider. If you're going to only be using these for watching videos, that delay for me is a deal breaker. I don't know what's with that delay. I haven't noticed it on any other earbuds really. So that's something to keep in mind. But there you go. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to pick these up, I'll drop a link to them down below. Thank you for watching. This is Mark with Apple Tech Wintoit, and I'll see you in the next one.